Hi guys, it's Nikki, Creative Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I would like to teach you how to make the chunky knit-like hat. So I got inspired by Chloe Kim from the Team USA on the Olympics, and it seems like it's a trending new hat pattern. So it is her pattern, or her hat is actually a knit version, though because I do crochet patterns, I wanted to create a crochet version of it. Now there's many different versions out there. This one is made in a round and uses two different types of stitches, and it does look like it is knitted, although you still have the ribbing. So when you then fold it over, you do see the ribbing. But this part and this part, they don't reflect exactly the same on that side. But it still looks knitted. So let me show you how to do that. It's super duper easy. So first of all, you're gonna figure out how long your circumference is for your hat, or better, for your head, and then figure out how many stitches you need to do. So this, for me, is 40 stitches. This is a snug, it's a fit. I can still wrap it over, like, you know, fold it over for me, for my head specifically. But if you have a smaller head, or, you know, bigger, or you make it for someone smaller, just measure it out and figure it out by the gauge, how many stitches or chains you need to do in order to do the right size. Okay, so before I show you how I'm doing these rows here, I'm going to show you how to start. I have a very small example piece right here for you. All I did is I made a chain of 14 pieces. You need a even number, and connected via a slip stitch, and then made one round of single crochet. Very easy. So that's all I did so far. Let me make sure that I can zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. All right. Okay, so this is what you have so far. As I just mentioned, this is just a simple row of single crochet. And I'm gonna now, I need to look where it is, right here, slip stitch. I haven't done that. So now for the next row, or round I should say, in all the other ones, you're doing the exact same thing. Okay, so I chained one, then I wrap it around, and now I'm gonna do a half double crochet as a back post. So back post, half double crochet. Okay, so, and then you're doing a waistcoat stitch. So here's the V of a normal single crochet. You're going right between that V. Let me make sure it is clear so you can see what I'm doing. All right. Okay. So you just simply go in there and finish it up just like a normal single crochet. There you go. By the way, if you want a full tutorial on the waistcoat stitch, I do have one. It is for flat pieces and for rounds. So be sure to check that out. So now we're doing a back post half double crochet again. So yarn over, go around it, and finish it up like a half double crochet. Now we're doing the waistcoat stitch again. By the way, it's also known as the knit stitch. Make sure your tension is loose for that. And then you're just repeating that. So it is a back post half double crochet, then a waistcoat stitch, then a back post half double crochet, waistcoat stitch, back post half double crochet, waistcoat stitch, back post half double crochet, waistcoat stitch, back post half double crochet, and one more waistcoat stitch. Oh, I did not get it right spot. Right here. See, that's why I mentioned it's only the very first time you do that. The tension needs to be loose. After that, it's going to be much easier. Then you slip stitch to your first stitch, and then you chain 1, and now you repeat that. Okay, so you do a back post half double crochet onto a back post half double crochet, waistcoat stitch into the waistcoat stitch, and you keep on going. It's very, very easy. The back post half double crochet creates that ribbing effect, whereas the waistcoat stitch creates the actual knitting effect. And then you just keep on going as many rows, rounds as you need. Now it depends on your head size and whether or not you want to wrap it around, you know, in a front, like flip it over. So by the end of this round, I'm going to show you how I do it on the big piece because it might be more clear. Okay, so here I would slip stitch and then I would just keep continuing on. So this is how it looks like. So let me show you now on the bigger piece, several stitches. Okay, so this is how it looks like so far. Very pretty, huh? So I chain 1, back post, half double crochet, waistcoat stitch, and then repeat. If you need the full tutorial or the full pattern, be sure to go to my website. The link is in the description. All my links to all my videos are always in the description, so be sure to check that out. Alright, I'm going to stop here and show you again how this looks like. So this is pretty much how you do it. So it's just 2 different kinds of stitches. It is the back post half double crochet and the waistcoat stitch, which now creates the ribbing effect on the back, as you can see right here. So if you would flip it over, this is how it would look like. Let me kind of flip it like this. This is how it looks like. And you see in a second a full picture on how it looks like right after I finish talking. Now please go ahead and like this video, comment below, and share it because other people want to see how to do this too. And if you wouldn't mind, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have so many awesome videos that are coming up in the future and you really do not want to miss them. And remember, all my patterns are always free. So be sure to check out my website. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you next time. Bye.